Maxwell Caprudis' first YouTube video, and here today I have an unboxing of my Grail. As you can see, I've already opened up the box, but it's because I got too excited. But what can you say? So just an introduction. My name is Maxwell Caprudis. Just gonna start doing YouTube now. Just thought it would be fun. I love sneakers. See so many people on YouTube doing sneaker videos, and I just thought, like, what the heck, why not? So right here to my left and right, I have my two favorite sneakers. Yes, a Nike and Adidas. I know people have problems with owning two different brands, but what the heck? Boost is comfortable, Nike's nice to look at, so screw it.
Yeah, screw it.
This is actually my most recent pair that I've gotten. It's definitely been worn a lot by me. My girlfriend, my beautiful girlfriend Danica, bought it for me, so shout out her all the way in California. But yeah, these have gotten a lot of wear. Air Max have not really been a favorite of mine, but since the 270s came out, I was all about them. And then Air Max Day hit. My Grail from Nike for retail got blessed with the access for voting last Air Max Day. Don't care about that. Throw that out. Nike Air Max. You can already guess by the box. Sean Witherspoons. These are my absolute grails. This box is probably one of my favorite boxes out of Nike releases, with more air. Got all that reading in there. You probably heard it from 1,000 other YouTubers.
Today, Junior?
With the unboxing of these. Unfortunately, I got a 10.5, even though I wear a size 12. But the boss man at Laced Up, who luckily I work for, is gonna bless me with my 11.5 pair.
The blessings come down
for free. Size swap. You already know what the deal is. But let's get into this. Yes, man. Nike blessed me. Bless you. I've been watching Round 2 and Sean Witherspoon for the past year and a half, probably a year after they started doing their videos on YouTube. But like I said, Sean, man, he killed this collab with Nike. From the Velcro coming off to the velvet satin inside, like, what the heck, man? It's like walking on freaking clouds. I don't know if it's actually like walking on clouds or not because I haven't put them on yet. Still dead stock. Look at the bottom.
Oh, that's nasty.
You already know it's dead stock. See? No big deal. Tastes a little bit funny. That was kind of freaky, I know. But yeah, man. I just love how he did it with corduroy, because then it'll fray beautifully, and it seems like they got a little bit of denim on the back. I haven't noticed this.
What is this?
Out of any of the pairs that he had, but I think that's fire, especially when it says from VA to LA, because I started in Virginia, now we're at LA store, and they got a store in New York City, and they got one coming in South Beach soon, which is fire. But yeah, they also have multiple laces, the white laces, the yellow laces, and probably gonna rock these mismatch blue laces and purple laces, that codeine purple boy.
Boy!
They got that little kid inspiration with the little smiley face on the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that's some fire for his little boy Nash. Nash, you're a G. Also, Sean Witherspoon, shout out you for being the best dad ever. Aww. Kind of needs to hit you up with some dad shoes, even though you guys are different brands. But oh well. But yeah, man, I don't know. There's just so much gloriousness out of the shoe. All the colors, the pastels, the bottom being mismatched. It doesn't taste good, so don't try that at home, guys.
So good and tasty?
All the Nike logos, like on the toe right here and on the side. Even the Nike on the front. Boo!
And boom goes the dynamite.
Man, Sean, great job. Maxwell out. Deuces.